The new Ossia VMS 213 includes some new and very interesting features. One of them is the data dashboard, which we can see right here on the upper left side of the screen. The data dashboard, once we go into it, we are going to see an empty page that is waiting for us to customize it. So in this case, I already customized it based on what is in interest for us to see. So of course the VMS includes maps and includes date and time. It includes device status and traffic, of course the counting of human and vehicle. Those features can be found all around the VMS. And the idea of the data dashboard is to get only what is interesting for us and put it on one centralized screen. So in this case, we can see, as I said, we can see the maps. Of course, we can travel between the maps. Okay, we can go based on the maps we already set on the VMS. We can see maps. We can see the live video, which is played based on the events that are happening on the maps themselves, exactly like the EMAP module that we have on the VMS itself, with of course ability to filter what kind of alarms we are going and not going to get. We can see on the bottom left face comparison, so we can see how many people have passed today in total, how many people were recognized, 537, and unrecognized, this is the amount. Also we can see some statistics. Okay, 2 of them are service, mainly for the Ossia VMS, and the rest, which is 9,000 and growing, is coming from the video, and of course it is motion and a lot of different events. We can see date and time and device status, how many cameras, for example, are online and offline. Of course we get more information when we point our mouse into it. And traffic, for example, counting, and we have here also the same idea, just in the form of a graph. Okay, we can see how many people entered, how many people left on the counting cameras. Now when we want to set it up, first of all we can see here a tooth wheel button. Okay, when we press it, we get this page. So let me show you how we can actually we press X on each and every one of the modules, and then we are left with nothing. This is basically how we make it. We simply, let's take one step backwards. We press the data dashboard, we see this, and we press create. This is it basically. We can choose video windows, we can choose EMAP monitoring, we don't have enough windows. We can choose face comparison, then calendar, and device status, and anything that is in our interest. Of course that, for example, if you will take the alarm statistic, we can choose under alarm statistics on the bottom what kind of information we want to get. So for example, let's take the passenger flow. Okay, in the passenger flow, how many people, counting people basically, we choose what kind of object we want to count. If it's a 2-wheel, 4-wheel vehicle, or a human, how often this it's going to be updated. Okay, the information, and which are the cameras that we want to have on that list to take this information from. So the setup is done right here in the backstage. After we are finished and we have everything we want in our new module, we can press OK, and the system is automatically going to fix for us the customized view. And then of course, if we are dealing with video window for example, we can press on the small arrow and we can take the images to see live video of cameras. We can choose which camera we want to see. Very simple. Also you can full screen the entire module, so we have a beautiful new customized screen which is all over your monitor. Escape to leave it, and of course we can also take the entire data dashboard out, rip it out of our VMS, and just drag it into a different monitor which is connected to our computer or to our VMS hardware. This is a very useful new feature.